This video is brought to you by Against the Flow of Mississippi. Against the Flow of Mississippi is a book about Jake Fayard, a Marine veteran who is unhappy with the political machine running the state of Mississippi. He decides to fight the corruption from the inside. Jake will face more challenges than he ever has and will stand up for what he thinks is right. His notoriously hot temper will push him to the edge of murder, along with his friend and brother Kobe Barhanovich. Together, they will fight the system and give the power back to the citizens of Mississippi. Against the Flow of Mississippi is now available on Amazon. A link to the book will be placed in the description below. All right, y'all, so what we have here is a Patrolman SW60. Shortwave, AM, FM, airband, VHF, UHF.
With unlimited group exercise classes, chronic disease prevention programs, adult sports leagues, and so much more.
Sounds good. Sounds excellent. Lights still work in it. Bought this off of eBay. Same guy I bought the Radio Shack DX392 from.
2 million Florida families safe for college.
Two antennas. Got the UHF, a little stubby. And it's got the VHF. That's a lot longer.
No matter how tight, enroll by February 28th and get $50.
It's got fine tuning and coarse tuning. I'm gonna try it out on airband.
Said they gotta stretch this out for 4 days. You should be able to bang this out in 3.
Obviously it's receiving.
Yeah. Oh well. Alright, I'm gonna go make a wrap and watch the sunset.
Slight chance of thunderstorms. Friday, south winds around 15 knots. Seas 4 to 5 feet. Showers and thunderstorms likely.
UHF. Scanning around the GMRS band. Doesn't look like it goes down to the 70 centimeter hand band. That's okay. Let's look at the side here. Got a big external jack for 1/4 inch headphones. I'm gonna drop these antennas before I break them. It shows the frequency range. Got an external antenna. There's your big knob on the side. This thing here is about 50 years old. And I had one when I was a kid. I actually bought it at a thrift store for like, I think probably about $10. Well, it was not in this good a shape. I bought this one off of eBay. Guy out of Chicago. I'm going to tell you, I'm impressed. I don't know where he got this thing or how he gets these things in this good a shape, as old as they are. I don't know if it's an estate sale or not. But this guy's got some excellent, excellent things on there. I'm going to see if the light works. Oh, the light goes, oh, it just turns the light off. Okay, interesting. Anyway, y'all, not bad. Like I said, I think this thing is circa probably the early 70s would be my guess. It's made by Realistic, which is made by Radio Shack. Nice piece of kit. Anyway, y'all, thanks for watching. 73 W5 BLX.